You guys, welcome back to the new video. Today's video is a little bit different. Instead of playing a game or making animation, I'm actually unboxing a minifigure collection for Roblox Piggy. So Minitoon made these mini figurines collection, and you get one of the things you can get on in the package is like these. So this was actually really hard to find. So because I couldn't like find it at my local store. I had to go to a very far away mall. But we're gonna be seeing what's inside of package number 1. I also have another one over here. So let's open the first one. See what we get. I bet it's gonna be Clowny. That's the most common. And looks like our first one is default Piggy. Here she is. I bet my next one's gonna be another default Piggy. Let's see what it is. And oh my gosh, I actually really wanted one of these. Our next one is the soldier. So Penny Piggy and Soldier. Those are the ones that we got. Here's Soldier. Oh, and here's the DLC code over here. So, dude, when I was trying to get these, I was hoping to get the Soldier. I actually got the Soldier. Like the Soldier, is I think in my opinion is one of the coolest in one of all the other ones on this package. And we got the default Penny Piggy, you know. So yeah, this is really cool, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and bye bye.